Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase cloud integration with Salesforce, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current cloud integration needs with Salesforce. Identify the specific objectives you want to achieve through integration. Research the available cloud services that complement Salesforce, such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Evaluate the compatibility of these services with Salesforce's APIs and functionalities. Ensure that you have the necessary user permissions in Salesforce to make changes. Log into your Salesforce account and navigate to the Setup dashboard. Review the existing integrations under the App Manager section. Consider using middleware such as MuleSoft or Zapier to facilitate integration if needed. Set up a new connected app in Salesforce for your cloud service. Provide necessary details like the app name, contact email, and OAuth settings. Generate the required API credentials, including the client ID and client secret. Document these credentials securely, as you'll need them for configuration. In your cloud service, locate the Salesforce integration section. Follow the prompts to input the API credentials obtained from your Salesforce connected app. Define the specific data sets you wish to synchronize between Salesforce and the cloud service. Test the connection to ensure successful integration before proceeding. Customize the integration settings based on your specific use case. Consider implementing automation features to streamline data transfer. Monitor the integration regularly to ensure data consistency and performance. Train your team on how to leverage the new integration effectively. Continuously evaluate the integration's performance and make adjustments as needed. Stay updated with new features from both Salesforce and your cloud service provider. Join relevant forums or community groups for insights and best practices. Document the entire integration process for future reference and troubleshooting. Encourage feedback from your team to identify areas for improvement. Regularly review your integration strategy to adapt to evolving business needs. By following these steps, you'll enhance your cloud integration with Salesforce and improve overall efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.